So a lot of people have been hitting up my DMs. Yes, I have a personal life outside of YouTube, and no, it's not no comment gaming. I like to keep my personal life private. If you didn't know, I am in the cybersecurity tech field, or tech career field, however you want to say it. But yeah, I'm in the industry, the cybersecurity industry. A lot of people have been hitting up my DMs because there was this YouTube video that I watched of this guy promoted in the military, and then people were congratulating him, and then some people were like, I didn't get promoted and now I'm working at Walmart. My life sucks. What should I do? So I basically just commented what I did, how I hit higher tenure. The Air Force separated me because I was too long in my rank. An 8-year senior airman. I separated honorably. I used my GI Bill to go to school because I felt like a loser and I didn't want to work at Walmart. So I used my GI Bill. I got my bachelor's and my master's in cybersecurity. While I was getting my bachelor's, I was taking masters of cybersecurity graduate classes at the same time and had a paid internship going on. So cybersecurity, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but the internship was for cloud security, so that was the first introduction I had to cybersecurity beside academia. So I did that for about 3 months, and before even graduating with my bachelor's while still taking my master's in cybersecurity, I got a full-time position as a cloud security guy. So I did that for a private company for about 2 years while I obtained my master's degree also. I got my Security Plus certification, multiple AWS certifications, multiple Microsoft Azure certifications, and now a CISP. So I've been in roughly 4-5 years of experience, and a lot of these cyber gurus that I'm seeing on YouTube are trying to sell their course. Not all of them. Some of them are actually pretty legit. I actually mess with some of them, but some of them like are selling their courses like, yo, I can help you get a 6-figure salary if you know nothing about cyber and you come take my course. Or these college boot camps that they have. Man, cap, bro. Cap, quit the cap. I am in the industry. I know how it is. So an entry-level position, brutally honest with you, is around $60,000 to $90,000. My entry-level position wasn't even that. My internship, it was only 3 months. But if we broke it down for a yearly amount, it was probably $30,000 to $40,000. But I was just happy to get that experience, you know? And then my full-time position, my first position that I signed for was probably $65,000 to $68,000. Nothing, bro. And I'm here in Southern California. You could barely live off of that. And my next position moved up to around 80-something thousand, which was a little bit better. And the position I'm at now is over 6 figures. I'm going to say over half. Then how am I going to break this down without saying my salary? Basically, it's 6 figures, middle to high range. You make that out what you want to do. And then so if we want to break that down, mid-career you're looking at 100 to 150,000. Senior level is like 150 to 225 plus. And then if you become a CISO, which is a CISO or a Chief Information Security Officer, you're looking at 175 to 275,000 dollars a year. An honest, brutal opinion of what cybersecurity ranges are and what you're looking for. But let's go more into depth. These comments in my DMs were asking me like, oh, I read your comment on that post. I like what you did. What kind of advice can you give me? I have my degree. And some people were like, I don't have my degree. Some people were like, I just signed up for this 3-month boot camp. Like, what should I do? And basically, I told them straight up the bat, if you know nothing about cybersecurity, you need to get an internship. You need that experience. And then you need to get your Network Plus if you know nothing about cybersecurity also. Or you could go for your Security Plus. I don't have my Network Plus because I had that academia to understanding networking. So I went right for the Security Plus. But if you want to get an interview and enter the cybersecurity industry, you're going to need minimum that Security Plus certification. That's CompTIA Security Plus. That will just get you the interview. And then you're like, oh, I did this 3-month course. I'm going to get the job in 6 figures. Nope. That Security Plus just gets you the interview. Once you start talking and you have no experience, they're going to look at the person with experience. I'm sorry. I'm just being brutally honest. Yes, it's that never ending conundrum of they want people with experience to be in these entry-level positions. Like, it's even absurd. Some of these job applications I'm looking at, these recruiters are asking people for entry-level positions with a salary of $60,000 with 5 to 10 years experience. Cap, bro, get out of here. What is this? Like, no, it don't even work like that, bro. I got 5 years experience and I'm just lucky because I have a security clearance. If you have the option or the I don't even know what I'm saying. Pause. Anyway, if you have the opportunity to get a security clearance, do it. Security clearance will boost your salary way higher because not a lot of people could get security clearances. And most security clearances jobs are with government organizations. Yes, coming from me personally, I've worked worked in the government sector, and the private sector. So I know the best of both worlds. I would say the private sector, you get paid good, but you can lose your job at any time. That's what we're going through right now. I know so many people that have applied to 1,000 jobs, and that's not good. You're just throwing your application out there, hoping that somebody catches the wind. No, bro. Like, I hated hearing this too when I was job searching, when I got let go from my first tech job in the private sector. Private to drop you quick, bro. Quick with the quickness. But when I applied to 250 jobs and I wasn't getting anybody looking at me. And then I decided to slow down and actually tailor my resume to each job I applied for. Did I get a headache? Yes. Did I get restless nights? Yes. It took me 3 months to find a job. I'm blessed that happened. I know some people that are still going after a year, but you need that experience and you need to expose yourself to the industry and you need to network. Now, for people that don't know anything about cybersecurity, they got different career paths. Like, I was exposed to cloud security first, but then I got my hands on GRC, governance, risk, and compliance, with SOC Center experience too, security operations. I've done a little pen testing also. I'm really good with information security, helping with my CISSP certification that I got, which is the golden tier of all certifications. If you could just get one certification and be set for life, it's the CISSP. And it's so hard to keep it too, because you need to continuously learn every year 50 CPEs, which is continuous performance eval, or what, I don't know the exact terminology for it, but CPE, I know it's called that, or CEs, but CPE. Anyway, don't quote me on that. But anyway, you need to get at least 50 hours, and you could go to conferences, you could watch cybersecurity topics, you could write papers, so you constantly have to keep learning in this career field. I know I'm going all over the place, but I'm ranting because I see so much cap going on in the industry, discouraging people, and people are hitting me up in my inbox on Instagram like, what do I do? I was told this and it ain't happening. That's exactly why I'm making this video for you, man. Like, it's not all good out there in the cybersecurity space. Yes, there's a lot of jobs available, but not a lot of people are getting hired. You want to know why too? A lot of these people who just enter the industry are having hard times finding a job. Experience. Because if a recruiter is looking at somebody and they see your application here with no experience and someone with experience that worked already in the private industry and got laid off from like the big tech companies, they're going to hire those people first. So you need to find a way to differentiate yourself in the industry. That's just how it is. I'm sorry. That's just how it is. Like, you need technical skills, you need soft skills, and you have to have a continuously, I can't even talk right now because I'm so ranting, man. It makes me so mad that so many people are getting misled, but you have to have a continuous learning mindset. That's just how it had. That's just how it is. All right. All right. So you got different educational pathways. If you don't want to go back to school, you can always go to the boot camp, or you can self-learn resources. I'm all a fan about that. You can even get certifications, CompTIA Security Plus, like I said. You could get even a CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker, which I think is a trash certification, but if you want to get it, you're going to get it. And if you're in the government sector, you get your GSEC, which is your Security Essentials, which I didn't get, even though I'm in the government sector, because once you get outside the government sector, like, a recruiter's going to look at a GSEC and be like, no, we're private. But hey, if you want to go that route, you go that route. Me, I just stuck with the straight up industry type ones. All right. And then you can work for your CISSP, which is the golden top one, or you could get the CISA, Information Security Auditor, or Information Security Manager. These were like intermediate type of certificates, and the most advanced ones, like I just said, are CISSP, the Certified Cloud Professional, Security Professional, the GIAC Pen Tester, the Security Certified Professional. Anyway, there's vendor certifications. I'm AWS certified in a bunch of stuff. I'm also Microsoft Azure certified. So I'm even GCP. I can do all. But if you could kind of see what I'm saying in my crazy ramble mindset that I'm going in, my crazy rant mindset that I'm going in right now, is you have to diversify yourself and put yourself out there more to be exposed in the industry and get experience and differentiate yourself than other people. Because there's thousands of people right now that lost a job that are looking for a position. You got people with 10-year experience looking for entry-level positions just to get a job, to put food on the table for their family. It's hard out here, man. It's really, really hard out here. But anyway, so I just wanted to make this video to let you know it ain't all sugar and sweet in the industry. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but it's going to take a lot of trying hard. And I don't like these people that think they could just get into the industry by taking these 3-month courses and think they're going to make 6 figures, bro. Like, no, you have to hustle out here and get your knowledge up and get your experience up in order to be in cybersecurity. And I'm sorry if you didn't want to hear this, but I'm just being real with you. And anyway, so that's my little 2 cents on it. I'm No Comment Gaming. All right, catch y'all on the next one. Y'all be blessed.